Hey guys, it's Amber. Welcome to another one-take Boxycharm unboxing. So I got my Boxycharm right here. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Whew. So first off, we have Rock 2018. So this is for a product. Has a little card right here, which I'll get to in a second. The first thing that's right on top is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. So this is an illuminating primer for all skin types. I've always wanted to try one of these. I wanted to try the Becca, but I just never wanted to spend the cash. So let's see. I'm actually in need of a new primer since I'm using up my Mary Kay. I think I have like one use left, if that. Well, it just has a little tiny bit of luminosity, if you can see there. I have a little foundation on my hand. But yeah, that looks good. So next we have from Crown Pro, the Glam Metals palette. Let's take off its little sleeve. So this has, let's see, Punk, Wild Thing, Black Metal, Rock On, Rebel, Heavy Metal, The Wicked, Glam Rock, and Pop Rock. You know, just looking at this off the bat, I feel like there's so many colors here that I already have, and I would rather give this to someone and not swatch it. So I'm going to keep this, not touch it, and give it to someone or use it for a giveaway or something like that. I just don't really want to swatch it and then touch it for someone else. So I feel like, you know, those colors I already have, and silvers I have in many palettes as well. But that's still cool. I love getting palettes. Ooh, next is the Pure Bronze and Brighten. Is this sealed? I think it is sealed, which never hurts my feelings. Ooh, pretty! This is gorgeous. So let's give this a little swatcheroo. So we've got this pretty, wow! Wow, you do not need to do a swirl. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Tap off. Whoa, this is crazy. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Well, it'll be interesting to see how this applies with like a little brush, because obviously I don't want it that strong, but holy cow. That is so pretty and perfect for traveling. Awesome, awesome. And let's see. Ooh, It Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. Gosh, this is a good box. This is in Universal Taupe. And let's take a look. Yep, it's a good shade. I think it'll be a little, you know, on the little bit darker side, but that's okay. And a nice little spoolie there. And the last thing is Galactic Beauty, a matte lip paint in the color Demure. Gosh, this is a good box. Ooh, pretty color too. I like berry shades, so that's totally workable for me. So awesome. So let's check out all the prices. Okay, the Dr. Brandt I figured would be expensive. That is $38, but I think for that brand is pretty reasonable. The It Cosmetics is $24, and that seems about right. The Crown Glam Metals palette is $25. The Pure Complexion palette is $34, and the Galactic Lip Paint is $23. Holy cow! Every product in here is over $20, and the box is $21. Like, this is an insane box. Like, I mean, I can give away that palette and still have so much of my money's worth. That's not even funny. It's like ridiculously good. Holy cow! Wow, Boxycharm, you hit it out of the park this month. This is amazing. This is amazing. And I bet that palette's decent too. It's just a matter of, I don't really need it, so I'm not going to keep it. I really don't need any of it, but you know, we're going to keep it anyway. So let's go over real quick everything from last month. The first thing was the Real Her blush kit. So unlike these that swatch like really amazingly, I tested this out and I was like, meh. Like immediately I thought it was going to be stupid and dumb and horrible. These look beautiful on the skin. I don't know what it is. When I swatch it, I get like no pigment. But let me take the little brush. Once I apply it with the blush, of course it doesn't work this time. But once I apply it with the brush, I can actually build up a really nice flush on my cheeks. So, I mean, it's not like it's overly pigmented, but like I still got some color. And I don't know, it shows up on my face. I promise I'm not just making this up. Because I've worn this quite a few times. I found like I kind of had to scratch off the top layer a little bit. Here's Fearless. Oh my gosh, guys. I look like a drunk fool right now. I promise I'm not. But when I put these on my face, they actually did show up. Okay. Okay. All right. See? Okay. I'm not completely crazy, right? You can see a little color. They're very natural and they're very buildable. So they are good for somebody who wants that very neutral look, because like the pure palette can be a little scary for people who are like not used to wearing blushes. So I mean, there is color pigment, so I will keep this and use this. It wasn't a complete fail. It actually looks very nice and subtle and natural on the cheeks, so I don't hate it. So it was surprising to me, even though of course it's not like this. It was still good in my book. Next is the Tarteist mascara. Tarteist mascara. Tarteist, yes. I like it. I think my lashes look good, but would I pay the 20-something for this? No, I wouldn't, because I'm cheap and I don't like to spend that much on mascara, but I really liked it. This little crown brush, I mean, it's decent. I don't think I paid $12 for it, but I mean, it's fine. It's good. Happy to have a brush. The fail for me was this. I hate this. I only used it once, but the first problem I have with it is it's so hard to open that even if I loved it, like, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just weak sauce. I don't really have a need for the purple, and the green I used once and it just did what every other green does on my skin. Even after I used it, like, I still felt like there was a little bit of green tinge, but again, my foundation covers enough of my redness. I don't feel the need to color correct, so it's just adding an extra step that I don't find very necessary. And the orange, just, I don't have dark enough circles to make this work. I did try it one day, but again, I was like, this is silly. I really don't need to add this orange under my eyes. So I'd rather pass this on to someone who has really dark circles or likes color correcting, because I just really have no use for this. And last but not least is the Pretty Vulgar lip stuff, which, where did I stash that? Anyway, I really like it. I love how like smooth and creamy it is on my lips, and it's for $24. I probably wouldn't purchase another one just because I got so many different lip products, but I really like it. I like it. I think the color looks good. It's what I've got on my mouth today, and I like that it doesn't feel sticky. I wouldn't call it a matte liquid lipstick, like a dry down. It does eventually dry a little bit down, but it is definitely more glossy, in my opinion, than the others. I don't even know what I'm saying. Than like regular liquid lipsticks, if that makes sense. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me. And yes, if you're wondering, I did lighten my hair a little bit on the top because I was just like missing the blonde. And then of course it's like faded a lot. So it's still pink under here. Obviously there's been some fadage, but I did color remove a little bit on the top. I didn't bleach it out, just color remover takes it out. It took like 5 minutes and I was like, okay, I feel a little bit better. I've got some blonde, because I was kind of freaking out about it at first. But when I edited my footage back and I saw it, I was like, oh, I love it. But like when I looked in the mirror, I just felt like it was so dark. Crazy. I've got blonde brain, what can I say? Anyway, thanks so much again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!